Good afternoon, real estate community. Alex Eiler, Fairway Independent Mortgage here, doing a little bit of a mortgage math minute with you on temporary buydowns. I'm getting questions about them a lot. Is it a good product? Should I use it? Fantastic product if you want to see that monthly payment a little bit lower these first couple years while you wait for rates to go down. So I'm going to break down the numbers, show you how it works. Example we're going to use is a sales price of $500K with a loan amount of $450, meaning they put 10% down. Interest rate at 7.25%. That is just a random number that I threw up there. And 2-1 buy down. Most agents want to know how much does that cost. General rule of thumb is about 2.3% of your loan amount. And I'll show you how that actually calculates out right here. Principal and interest on $450,000 at 7.25% is $3,069 per month. Principal and interest. Year one, we're not making that payment. We're taking this $450,000 and we're paying it at 5.25% interest the first year, which is $2,484 a month. There is a difference there of $585. And when I multiply that by the 12 months that I would have that payment, it is a total savings of $7,020. That's how much the first year of this buy down. One, that's how much you're going to save in your monthly payments. Two, that's how much money is going to have to get put in here, but we're not done because year two, we're going to be at a 1% buy down. So it's going to be 6.25%, which is $2,770. And when I do the same calculation here, that comes out to me saving $299 a month times 12 months. And that comes out to $3,588. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this number, the second year, and the first year's savings, I'm going to add them together, and that's going to give me $10,608. That's how much this temporary buy down would cost. So if I'm trying to get the seller to pay for it, that's how much I would want to ask for. You can use the 2.3 to get a general idea. Make sure you apply it to the loan amount, not the sales price. If you have other questions on it, you can give me a call and ask me. I can calculate it for you. We've got some worksheets I can give you that'll allow you to calculate it real quickly on an Excel spreadsheet. But that's how it works. Most people, kind of the rule of thumb of should I do this? If I got a seller who's offering me $10,000, should I do a 2-1 buy down or just use it to pay my closing costs? Here's the question that you need to ask yourself. Are you okay with this? If you're okay with principal and interest at this, then I would just use the $10,000 to pay my closing costs. Okay? If I want to see this number a little bit lower per month, then I would apply it to a 2-1 buy down. It's in either I get the money now because I have $10,000 less to take to closing because I just let it pay for my closing costs, or I pay the extra $10,000 paying for my own closing costs, and over the course of the next 2 years, I'm just getting it paid back to me. So it's kind of spread out over 2 years. The big question that comes in then is, well, what happens if I refi before the 2 years is up? Doesn't matter. Let's say we refied right in the middle of this after the first year. That means that this amount is still in there, right? You just get that back, okay? It happens as you get credited it as equity, a principal reduction when you go to do your refinance. So you get those funds back. You do not lose them. Okay. This is not a permanent buy down where if you haven't used it, you lose it type of a thing. This is if I haven't used it, I still get it back. Okay. So nothing to lose here. It's just a matter of, do I want the money now with them paying seller concessions, or do I want seller concessions towards my closing costs, or do I want it spread out over the next 2 years with my payment being lower? That choice is up to you, but these are what the numbers look like. Talk to you later.